Can you believe that this Oha soup was made without cocoyam? Keep on watching. Have you ever wondered making Oha soup but you don't have ede or cocoyam for thickener? Then worry no more. Try this method instead, okay? You thank me at the end. Hello, gorgeous. Hi, okay, I'm coming now. Look at this. Our chief ingredients, we're using beef, the main protein, and we have some stockfish here. We have some cow skin, mama, and we have some fish, dry fish, and we also have here palm oil. Okay, of course we have some crayfish, and we have our oha leaf. Don't be scared to cook with your dry oha leaves. Follow this step, the taste will still pop out perfectly. Okay, so put your meat in the pot. Put it in the pot. You can cook the bubble separately if you want. I still fine. Okay. Don't forget to wash this with hot water. Let's wash it out. Add this too. Season with only salt and some seasoning cubes. That's all you need to season your meat. Don't need much. It's been shimmering about like 10 minutes, and I'll go ahead and add some water to it. So this water is what I am going to be using to cook this soup. Okay, so I added enough water. Of course I can revisit with water when needed. Okay, so I stir everything together and cover my pot and allow this to cook. So for our thickener, we're going to be using this oat, fine oat. So we just grind it or blend it very well. So guys, this is our oatmeal. So you have to add in some water now. So add some water. Did you see the consistency? Right now I'm just gonna pop it in the microwave and let it cook for like 5 minutes to thicken up. Okay, so right now adding my stockfish. Yeah, so I'm adding extra stockfish just for so it's out from the microwave. It has already solidified. Just stir it together and add it into your pot. Okay, so like I said, this is gonna serve as thickener. Okay, if you do not have cocoyam, this is when you're going to use oatmeal as thickener, like we are showing you on this video. Some of us who live in diaspora, most of the time all these African ingredients, foodstuffs might be very difficult to get. You have to use what you have to get what you do not have. Trust me, this method will give you a very wonderful result, and the taste will also be wonderful. Okay, so I'll go ahead and add my other ingredients. So I'm adding my red oil to the soup, and followed by crayfish. Add enough crayfish. Cover your pot. Another ingredient you must not mix is ogiri. This is ogiri. Can never go wrong with ogiri. You can't even mix it when cooking oha soup. And this yellow pepper here, I'm going to blend it also. It gives it a very refreshing, oh my god, flavor. This yellow pepper, very good. So at this point, you must have added every ingredient. Don't forget your seasoning cubes and salt. Okay, yes, for salt, and add more salt if you need to. I don't need any salt. I just added some seasoning, more seasoning powder. Okay, so at this point you're going to cover your pot for almost the last time. Let your thickener melt. Okay, so as we're doing that, we're just going to get our vegetables ready. So now it's time to add our olive. I went ahead and added a little bit of water because of the thickness. Okay, I'm gonna give it another stir. You still want your soup to be thick, but I don't like it extra thick. The thickness is still there, right? Okay, so I'm going to still cover it for another 2 minutes because I want the oha to permeate inside the soup. I want the taste of the oha to permeate inside the soup. You know, this oha is dry, so I want to leave it to permeate inside. Go ahead and leave your soup like this, but we're going to be adding some fresh spinach just for that freshness. Okay, just a glance. Okay, I just chopped my spinach to look like oha. Guys, your soup is done. Yeah, your soup is done. Are you gonna be trying this method? Let me know down the comment section below. Okay, and of course tell me what the kind of swallow you are gonna be using to pair this deliciousness. It is so good. Look at the look, guys. Oh my goodness. Make sure you like this video if you've not. I mean, what have you been waiting for? Like and subscribe if you wish to join our family. Okay, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.
What is the origin of oha soup? Where is it originated from?
Bless you.
Bye-bye. Right? Of course.